Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I would like to wish you a happy Cinco de Mayo. And for today's video, I'm going to be making 3 exciting Mexican dishes that you can actually have all year round. But it's great celebrating today. Let's get started. The first one I learned about from this channel, Keller's Grill Zebo. He grills in a gazebo. And it's called Nacho Cupcakes. It's like a fun appetizer, but you can have it as a meal too. Let's make it. I've got some meat cooking and adding some taco seasoning. You need a muffin tin and some street taco tortillas. You're gonna push them right inside that tin. I'm just doing 6 today. I'm not too hungry. I got myself some refried beans here. You just take a little scoop and you put it in the bottom of each muffin cup, followed by some of that meat. Next comes some type of cheese. You can use cotija cheese, queso fresco. I'm just using a Mexican style cheese blend, a little on top of each cup. I've got some diced green chilies here. I'm just going to put a little bit in each cup. Next, we need some Cool Ranch Doritos. We need to crush some in a little baggie. And sprinkle it on top. I'm going to bake them at 350 for 20 minutes. Nacho Cupcakes. Yes, they did crisp up a bit. And I decided to add a little frosting, a sour cream frosting. But do they taste good? Here we go! They're wonderful! Let the Cinco de Mayo celebrations continue. I'm making a Huevos Rancheros casserole. Yummy! I need a 13x9 and I sprayed it. And we need 8 corn tortillas in the bottom. I need a cup of salsa, a drained can of black beans, and a cup of cheese. And repeat. 1 final layer of tortillas with that last cup of salsa. And I'll sprinkle it with another cup of cheese. I need to put in 6 wells. And I'm going to crack 6 eggs into those wells. I'm going to cook it in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until those eggs are set. Well, this looks kind of exciting. I'm going to add some avocado and some sour cream. Huevos Rancheros casserole. It's lovely. I am absolutely shocked to announce that this video is my 1000th video. 1,000! That is so many videos. 1,000. I find that hard to comprehend, but it's true. So I need to celebrate 1,000, so I thought I better make a cake. Well, maybe not a cake. I'm going to make a cornbread. I found this exciting mix. Can't believe this mix. It's true. Perfect for Cinco de Mayo. It's a cinnamon churro cornbread mix from Old El Paso. I'm just going to follow the directions on the box. Celebrate 1,000 videos. Woohoo! That's good. Very cinnamony. Let me know if you see this in your store. Let's end the Cinco de Mayo fiesta with an exciting breakfast or dessert idea. We're gonna make tres leches pancakes. Come with me! In a small pan, you need half a cup of evaporated milk. Third cup, half and half. And 2/3 cup of condensed milk. This is our tres leches sauce. So I'm gonna cook this over a medium heat, and I'm gonna bring it to a boil, and I'm gonna stir it consistently for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, remove it from heat and allow it to cool. It's a sauce, not a syrup, so it'll be a little thinner. While that's cooling, let's make the pancakes. Grab a bowl. We need a box of French vanilla cake mix, 1 1/4 cups of almond milk, 3 lightly beaten eggs, 4 tablespoons of oil. Let's mix that all together for a couple minutes. Let's start making some pancakes. Flip them. Drizzle on a little sauce and some whipped cream and a little cinnamon. Tres leches pancakes. Delicious. It very much tastes like tres leches, and it kind of tastes like a cake. It is very sweet, but divine. This video is part of a collaboration hosted by Just Cook the Damn Food. If you want to see more exciting Cinco de Mayo videos, just click the hashtag Cinco de Mayo food. It sure is fun celebrating Cinco de Mayo, but you know what? You can eat these foods all year round. I asked my waiter, is my quesadilla gonna be long? He said, no, it's gonna be round.